Hi guys! Today we're going to be doing an experiment. Today we're going to be doing the preparation of a polymer. But before we do this experiment, I'm going to tell you three things. First of all, I'm going to tell you what a catalyst is. A catalyst is when we have two chemicals and we want to do the reaction, but the reaction won't work because the reaction needs to be done in the presence of hydrochloric acid. So in other words, this reaction will not work if there is no hydrochloric acid. So over here, hydrochloric acid is our catalyst. The second thing I'm going to tell you is what condensation is. Condensation, you might think when water vapor is turning into water, but over here we have a different meaning. Over here, when we have two chemicals, and when we're going to do the reaction, they're going to stick. So in other words, when we're going to do this reaction, resorcelin and formaldehyde are both going to stick together to make a new molecule. Now the third thing I'm going to tell you is what is a polymer. A polymer is the results we got when we did our condensation reaction. So when these two molecules stick together, the results we got is our polymer. So let's get moving on to the experiment. So what you're going to need is a spatula, a vial, resorcelin, formaldehyde solution, hydrochloric acid, a dropper, and a beaker with water in it. So our first step is to take our plastic vial, our spatula, and our resorcelin. I'm going to open the lid of the resorcelin, and I'm going to take 3 scoops of resorcelin and put it into the vial. That's our first scoop. That's our second scoop. And that's our third scoop. So now I'm just going to close the lid of the resorcelin, and I'm going to take my formaldehyde solution over here. I'm going to take the vial and I'm going to pour 15 drops of the formaldehyde solution into the plastic vial. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. That's done. So now I'm just gonna close the formaldehyde solution and I'm gonna keep it right here. Now I'm gonna take the lid of the plastic vial and I'm gonna close it. Now I'm just gonna shake it well. I'm gonna shake it until the resorcelin will dissolve. So it may take some time. So now, over here you can see my resorcelin has dissolved. Now the next step is to just take out the lid of the plastic vial and to take our hydrochloric acid. I'm going to open the lid of the hydrochloric acid and pour 5 drops of it into the plastic vial. So over here you first see that it's not reacting, but just when the hydrochloric is going to be dropped, so the reaction will start, and a pink solid form will be there, and that pink solid is our polymer. So just watch it as I'm going to pour the hydrochloric acid in it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and There. Okay, see here, it's turning a little white. Later it's going to turn pink. If you see from the top, it's turning pink. So now I'm not going to mix it or else it will be a solution. So I'm going to wait for a while and it's going to turn to a pink solid form. Oh yeah, you see over here now? It's like very pink. I'm going to open the lid of this vial and I'm going to show you it's solid. How? So you see, I'm going to try putting it in here. I think I'm just going to wait for a while first to let it be solid. Okay, so now I think it's solid. And to believe me, just watch this. I'm going to turn it upside down. If it's going to fall down, it's like liquid. But if it's not going to fall down, it's solid. It's solid. It's not falling down as the liquid does. So that means it's solid. Don't believe me yet? Well, I'm just going to take this spatula and I'm going to take it out. It's going to be in a solid form. So that's our solid form. I'm going to just put it on this paper over here. It's solid, you see. I'm going to take it all out. Oh, it's strawberry ice cream. Just kidding. This over here is our polymer. So this is our solution. So in this video, I showed you how to make the preparation of a polymer, and which is also an example of a condensation reaction. So in this video, we also learned the three terms. One, polymer, second one, condensation, and third one, catalyst. So thank you for watching this video and be sure to watch my next video. Bye bye!